today we are going on a Visita Iglesia, Canadian style. But first, coffee. Alam niyo, first time namin gagawin ito dito sa Canada. Hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari. Let's find out. And we are on our way to Surrey to meet up with our companions. Doon kami magkikita-kita. Marami kami, mga 20 na sasakyan. Kaya medyo madugo. Okay, we made it to our first church. Our Lady of Good Counsel dito sa Surrey. Yes. As you all know, spring is here. Kaya cherry blossoms. Nice. Yeah, orientation muna.
Okay, so drivers of cars, can you please raise your hands? Car 1, 2, 3.
Ay, tangga.
Okay, please. 4, 5.
Make us safe in our driving as we go from one church to another. And we open up our hearts to you, to whatever learning and grace and inspiration that you have prepared for each and every one of us.
Pilgrims of Hope. First station. So, ito yung second church namin na pupuntahan, St. Jude's Parish. I'll picture ulit. This is our third church, St. Jude. Mali pala ako. St. Francis of Assisi pala. Yung St. Jude kanina. This is our next church. Change driver kami ngayon. Ang aking bagong driver.
Blah, 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 blah.
At aking mga
Maliw.
passengers.
Sorry, they're saying.
Ay nako, bagsak ka niyan, bagsak ka. Okay, church number 5 is Holy Rosary Cathedral. Ito na kami.
Bakit nagsasabi yung ano ng age? You know, yung link.
So this is our second to the last church. Pagano pangalan ng church na to? Oh, St. Paul's Church. Ayan, ganda. Yes, St. Paul's Church na.
Parang sagrada lang.
It's beautiful. Ganda naman ito yung church nito. Very traditional. Pati upuan mo, kutsyon. Ganda. So, a little bit of history. Ang sabi nung caretaker dito, this was the first church built in the whole of BC. It was built on native soil. And yeah, kaya ang ganda pala. Tsaka kaya pala meron siyang touch ng indigenous. Kaya yun pala. Ang ganda. For the meantime, kainan muna, kainan. Ano yan?
Parang Pachi Park.
Isa lang? Oo.
Ha?
Isa. Now, on to our last church in Agassiz. Layo. See you there.
Bahay sa taas na.
church. St. Anthony of Padua Parish. Here in Chilliwack. Layo. So, eto na kami.
Oo. Dito kayo nagpunta last year, Jen? Hindi.
Wow. Would you believe meron ditong shrine of Santo Niño de Cebu? Yes, we have it here. That concludes our Visita Iglesia, Canadian style. Uwi na kami. Pagod na. Bye-bye. Home sweet home. Thank you, Lord. Well, as a recap, pareho lang naman din. Visita Iglesia dito. Baka pareho lang din sa Pilipinas. Ganun lang din kasi puro Pilipino rin naman yung nagbisita Iglesia. And what's the only difference is iba yung scenery dito. Yun lang. Tapos maraming non-Filipinos na nagugulat, nakikita yung kung anong ginagawa namin, parang bago sa paningin nila. And they welcome it. So that's it, folks.